Well, I said palaban ako, no? But dati, mas palaban ako.
Correct.
If you take me, patay ka sa akin. Parang, what did you say? Ganyan agad ako. But now, I choose my battles. Parang, I'm not gonna waste my time on you. So, pag may buwisit, bala ka dyan, loser. Lalo na now that I have family, I owe my health and my energy to my family, to myself. So, pag may mga buwisit, bala ka dyan sa buhay mo.
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano pareho.
Ako yung energy ko, mas vina-value ko na ngayon.
Valuing energy.
Because when you're young, yung energy mo, kung saan mo binabato yan diba? Now, mas wiser ka na in terms of, should I choose my battles or hindi? Dati kasi pag bata ka, lahat ng
energy
lahat ng battle lalabanan mo But there's some battle na hindi mo na dapat labanan kasi meron ka pang bigger battle na dapat mong labanan.
As you grow older, you choose your battles in order to win the war.
I super agree with that.
Ikaw, how do you handle yung ngayong nandiyan ka na sa 30s mo?
Well, you feel the pressure na yung mga kasabayan mo nag-aasawa na, kakaanak na. Kung ano nang, parang in a sense, how we see success in life. But then again, yun nga, iba sa tayo ng path and what we really want in life. No? Yung change na yun, it sometimes nakakapagod dahil parang you try to play their game. Pero you have to figure out how to play your own game.
Correct.
It's like getting married and having kids is an achievement. Parang ganun. Well, I am not discrediting that, no? Kasi ganun naman din talaga sa ibang tao. Like for me, that's how I felt also. Yes. But there are people who get pressured by that and then eventually realize na hindi para sa kanila yun.
At
the
hindi
society
exactly.
has to stop pressuring people. When are you getting married? When are you having a baby? When is your next baby? The fuck?
Every single fucking reunion.
Diba? Parang minsan hindi ka papunta sa hawakan na yung tiyan mo. May laman na ba yun?
Siguro pwede nang gawing skit yan na Pinoy reunions be like.
Yeah, parang we're so busy living our lives for other people to please them. Sadly, unfortunately, for our titas, titos, parents, that we forget to live our lives for us.
Yeah.
Correct.
Diba?
I think people are now getting a little bit wiser when it comes to that.
Yes.
Na hindi dahil sinabi na, hindi, mag-asawa ka na or magkaanak ka na.
Hirap ng buhay, no?
Oo.
Minsan hindi mo maintindihan Minsan reunion, di ba? I mean, sa case ko, hindi ko naranasan. Ba't naririnig ko kasi? So, example, kailan ka mag-aasawa? Alam mo na nga walang asawa, tatanungin mo pa. Number 2.
Well, malupit pa dyan, walang jowa.
Ayun nga. Ito pa, number 2. Tumaba ka ngayon. Nakita mo na nga tumaba. Tatanungin mo pa.
Big Eyes Production.